We're going off road. Way back off the highway.
Alright, what's up guys? Today, quick easy fix. If your belt's squealing and it's loose, easy way to do that. Shit, I dropped the ratchet. Easy way to fix this on a 99 TJ. You're gonna loosen up this bolt right here on your pulley. This is on the 4-cylinder model. And then this is your adjustment bolt. You're just going to tighten this up. Until your belt gets snug. And we tighten that bolt back up. And now we'll start it and see if it's still squealing. Give it a start. And the squealing's gone. Just that easy.
I don't think they're going down there. That's gonna scrape their side of the. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Slow down, John. Huh?
Yeah, Chris, you did something. Alright, no, done this. Because we're probably about to get stuck.
Amy's one did.
Yeah, I thought it was real. Oh, shit. That one might be the one he got stuck in. This one right here. Stuck it in. Oh, maybe not. It might be tinier. I think that one's good. It was a pretty tiny one. Oh no, it was that one.
And I like that Jeep.
I like the white one and the roller, right?
Yeah, he crept through that shit. Yeah, actually, to be honest, we only see 2 Jeeps. But I can't really see. Nope, we got some behind us. We're good. This is where I got stuck for hours at. Getting them both back up either.
Roll your window up, Dave.
Yeah, this is the hole that was up to my chest in front of your tires.
All over my right arm, left arm. Oh, he's coming.
Are we moving? You gotta climb. Now you really stuck.
There's beers in the water. There's some brand new beers.
Alright, I got it.
Hey, Chris
What?
decided to spill.
My boot, my water was coming in over my boot. I don't even know.
I don't have front hooks.
I don't have front hooks.
Only rear.
Jake, can you get out?
Somebody got, I gotta get one out backwards. I haven't finished making my front bumper yet. Somebody got one out backwards. I haven't finished making
Okay, we
my
got
front
400
bumper.
on this. Do you have a snatch button? Okay.
Yeah, there's a brand new bumper rope right there, Chris.
Already on it.
You gotta take it out of the bag. Ooh, you about 80,
You
Jake.
almost went in on it anyway. You're stuck on like a tree or something now.
Oh yeah, dude. We've been stuck in this hole for hours before.
I finally high centered it. Oh, up here. So we have the window up. You gonna run and jump this, or you
Yeah, I'm
stand right
jumping.
there? Climb it back in.
Oh, you good?
David's got his feet on the desk and he's going up the water. Yeah, it's all boot right there.
Ain't that cute? The average Jeeper in there. Yeah, there's a fucking drop. I don't know if you're gonna see this root right here or not. There's a hell of a root right here. We've been stuck here before. Custom bumper. They gonna have to smash. Yeah, last time I stuck my tire right here. I stepped in and it was up to my chest. I don't know why he went in this hole. Actually, I thought he made it through this hole last time. You're in gear. You had to snatch the shit out of me last time I was stuck in here. I can't hear you. What? Put your truck in park. What's up?
What's up?
Focus. There we go. Look at that beautiful mug right there. Huh? That motherfucker sells t-shirts. I think they're gonna. Then you had to pull me. Remember, you had to hit me 3 times hard as shit to get me out of this hole. You probably could have got out a little bit easier when you were moving.
Should I try going forward again?
I wouldn't.
I think I'm on a tree.
You're definitely on a tree. There's like a 5-foot hole right in front of your front tire.
So you think I should try to go forward?
Huh?
So you think I should try to go forward?
No, I think there's a tree stump and I think it's a drop off.
Hey Chris, you can take that.
Yeah, here you go. Hold this, Jake.
We got another one hooked to the back of him.
There we go.
Quite the hole right there.
Oh yeah, it was up to his chest before.
We got stuck out here for 3 hours in this hole one time.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, there's like a root, and then I don't know. I didn't have waders on, but it went. I felt like I was touching the ground when the water was that deep, like right about there. That was like probably about a year ago.
It ain't any better.
No, I could have sworn he made it through this hole last time though. But I guess it was,
Maybe he just carried a little more momentum to it, you know, it just bounced over.
Well, like he slowed down right in the wrong, only at the like wrong spot.
The
See,
perfect
like,
wrong spot.
Yeah, and that's where he got caught
You want
out of
it?
that tree. He would have floated over.
battery's about to die. Oh, we're out. See y'all in a minute.